Welcome to the Contractor Success Map podcast. I'm your host, Bradley Hart, and I'm an expert on how you can get the most out of your contracting company. The reason I designed this show is to help you turn your contracting company from a people-dependent money pit into a process-dependent cash cow to have the freedom you dreamed of when you started your business. Every Friday, we're releasing podcasts with information to help you get the most out of your contracting company. Be sure to join us at www.contractorsuccessmap.com and subscribe to receive our latest articles and special offers. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.
Hello there. Welcome back or welcome to our podcast. I hope you are doing great and in excellent health. This is Norhalma delivering our 511th episode by Sherry DeHart. You can listen to the other sessions on iTunes, Spotify, or wherever podcast content is published. It's non-sequential. You can listen to the topics that interest you the most. Sherry's post is entitled, "The Difference Between a Construction Accountant and a Tax Accountant." Let's get into it. How often have you hired someone with the expectation that they know how construction works, and then you found out they did not know about it? You are a master in the construction industry, so you recognize what to look for in your particular field and quickly observe if someone has the skill sets, and you proceed accordingly. You know what happens when you send your best rough carpenter that you pay piecework for framing spec from the ground up in all kinds of weather and working conditions to install some custom-made cherry wood cabinets with gold-plated pulls and knobs in the home of your best client, who happens to be in the wealthiest neighborhood in your town. It is not a pretty sight. Have you pictured a crew with muddy work gear and boots stepping onto your client's pristine floors? The dirty secret is that tax accountants operate like rough carpenters because they work fast and furious, and they are paid piecework. The main difference is that they earn the bulk of their annual income in 3.5 months. This means they do not waste any time going through your receipts to ensure you get all the deductions you are entitled to. Both groups are important and each one feels a need. Project management construction accounting professionals, or PMP, work above the line and focus on generating positive outcomes and results for contractors. They increase sales, reduce your expenses, and increase net income. Certified public accountants, or CPA, work below the line, focus on filling out annual income tax forms, ensuring contractors pay their fair share of taxes, preparing certified financial statements, and performing audits on your QuickBooks contractor file. 3 times construction contractors need a CPA in their QuickBooks for contractors file. You apply for a large loan or line of credit over $1 million. You need certified financial statements to get a performance bond. Your construction company is so large that you are required to have an annual audit. Most construction contractors with annual sales under $10 million and less than 20 employees will never have those issues. Preparing end-of-year reports and filing taxes can be complicated. If you're not doing it right, you could be liable for penalties or, at the very least, not take advantage of tax gains and financial opportunities. A construction accountant can ensure your business remains compliant and pay as little tax as possible, help you analyze your business performance, and work with you to achieve your goals. On the other hand, tax accountants can kill more cash flow and profit in your construction business in less than an hour by preparing your annual tax return using a messed up QuickBooks file than you can make up for with hard work in several months, if not years. This is because saving you money on your tax bill is not what they are paid to do. They are paid to fill out tax returns. Why does it need to be separate? Trust but verify. When you need financing, most bankers and finance sources like to see a separation of duties. They want to see two different firms involved because it reduces the chance of errors, collusion, cover-up, and fraud. They may not say a word to you, however, we often hear about it. We insist our construction contractor clients use an outside CPA or tax preparer to review the QuickBooks contractor's bookkeeping services that we have performed and prepare the annual income tax return. As a result, we have developed good working relationships with several CPA firms and yearly qualified tax preparers. It is good to know our contractor clients trust us and know that we have their best interest in our minds and hearts. However, we are human, make mistakes, and welcome input from CPAs and tax preparers. It is all about teamwork and people working together to ensure everything in your construction accounting system works correctly. Bottom line, construction accountants should not be preparing annual tax returns because nobody can serve two masters. Either be a tax accountant and serve the interest of the tax collection agencies, or be a construction accountant and serve the interest of contractors. Please don't think we are too hard on tax accountants. Understand that we have great relationships with them. We have had tax accountants review our QuickBooks and prepare our business and personal returns for over 30 years. And we refer many businesses to various tax accounting and preparation companies. What you need to look for is someone who is experienced, capable, and understanding. You should feel they'll be a good advisor and are interested in developing a long-term professional relationship with you. Having the right construction accountant for your business leaves you free to focus on why you started the construction company in the first place, to see it grow and become profitable. A construction accountant and a tax accountant are integral to this because they'll keep your finances on track, which in the end is the whole point. And that ends Sherry's blog post. Want to chat about growing your construction business? Please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. You can email Sherry at Sherry, S-H-A-R-I-E, Sherry@fasteasyaccounting.com, or you can give her a call at our toll-free number 1-800-361-1770 or US phone line 206-361-3950. That's our local Washington State phone line, but both the toll-free number and the 206 number are direct access phone line to Sherry. If it goes straight to voicemail, just please leave a message, leave your name, your number, the best time to call you back, and any issues that you would like to be addressed. And yes, our promo code is still available for you. It's podcast20, PODCAST20, podcast20. Whether you need a bookkeeping template or would like to enroll in one of our construction accounting classes, that's a 20% discount. Links to our Fast Easy Accounting store and Construction Accounting Academy are in our blog. On behalf of Sherry and our team at Fast Easy Accounting, this is Norhalma. Thank you all for listening. Stay safe and healthy.
And stay tuned for upcoming episodes on how to turn your contracting company into a process-dependent cash cow. Bye for now. Thanks for tuning in. You're listening to the Contractor Success Map. If you enjoyed the show, please leave a 5-star rating and review here on iTunes. And make sure to head over to www.contractorsuccessmap.com to subscribe to receive the latest articles and special offers. If you'd like to discuss your business strategy, simply click on the button labeled Strategy Session. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.